Okay guys, we've got a word problem here, and word problems can be tough, so it might look tricky, but let's see what we can find here. If angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles, and angle 3 and angle 2 are supplementary angles, what do we know about angle 1 and angle 3? Alright, we need to explain our answer. So one thing I love to do with word problems is I love to break up the word problems by highlighting. So I'm going to highlight that key information, angle 1 and angle 2. They're supplementary angles. So I'm just making that note right now. Let's change colors and also note that angles 2 and 3, they're connected. They're also supplementary angles. So what do we know about angles 1 and 3? And that's what we're really trying to answer here. Well, we've parsed this problem some. Let's parse it some more by creating. It looks like we would have intersecting lines here. So I have one line, and I have a second line that I've got to intersect here. So there we go. Let's go ahead and extend that just a little bit. Cool, so this is what I know so far. Angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. That means they add up to 180 degrees. So on this figure, I could put angle 1 anywhere, but for now, for simplicity, I'll just put it right here. So if this is angle 1, I need to find an adjacent angle to add to angle 1 that would equal 180 degrees. Well, basically, if we look at this line, any angle along a line is equal to 180 degrees. So let's just plot a 2 right here. So what I know is that these angles are supplementary. They add up to equal 180 degrees. We have our half of a circle here. All right, what else do we know? We know that angle 3 and angle 2, they're also supplementary angles. That means angle 3 is adjacent to angle 2, and it's along a line, it has to equal 180 degrees. So therefore, angle 3, this is the only spot angle 3 can go. So I know that angle 3 and angle 2 create a supplementary pair of angles. They add up to 180 degrees. And the question's asking, what do we know about angle 1 and angle 3? Well, we can see that angle 1 is on the opposite side of angle 3 in these intersecting lines here. So therefore, since they're on opposite sides, they've got to be vertical angles. So angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical angles. And if they're vertical angles, that means that they are congruent. They're the same size and same shape. Well, how can we explain this? We did so in the diagram below. Cool stuff, guys. I'll see you in the next videos.